Hello everyone, my name is Jimmy Grunfelder and I am the Water Trail Coordinator for the Clinton River Watershed Council. Today I'm going to be showing you how to get the interactive maps on your phone via the internet browser and also on your Google Maps app. You can actually see it on there, which is pretty sweet. So first of all, we're going to start out with your internet browser. Just go to crwc.org. This is our home page we're looking at right now. And from here, we'll hit the three lines up there on the top right, and then we're going to tap on where it says Programs. And then from here, one more step, we're going to click on or tap on the Clinton River Water Trail section of our programs. It's going to scroll us down a little bit, and let's go ahead and keep on scrolling down to where it says Interactive Maps here. About a quarter of the way down the page. From here, we can see those four maps that we outlined in the previous video here. And let's go ahead. We can see on this on our web browser right now. It's pretty small of a square, and you kind of have to go around with your two fingers to get scrolling around here. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna try and get it in our Google Maps application here. So what we're gonna do is hit the full screen icon in the top right of this small box. So right over here, and this should bring us to Google Maps. And it should zoom us right to where we're looking to go. So this is outlining the headwaters section of the Clinton River Water Trail. And this is kind of the interface that we have on the desktop as well, but this is a little bit more blown up, and it's on your device, which is really cool for more on the ground mobile applications. So let's just take a look at a couple of these access points. Let's look at the first access point on the Clinton River Water Trail. So this is the Mesa Day Lake DNR site. We can see our picture here. This is showing us what the boat ramp looks like there, and then we also have the amenities that are listed up there. So they got an undeveloped restroom, a drivable boat ramp, and some parking. And you will need your recreation passport in order to park there legally, I suppose. Next thing, so we went through a lot of these icons on other videos, but let me show you. I guess I'll go through this red one here. This is the price dam through Pontiac. Starting at that price dam, this spot right here is unmaintained and not very navigable, so not recommended. That's why it's red there. But yeah, that's basically the gist of it. In terms of common pitfalls here, I would avoid, well, I guess first of all, you have to be logged into Google Maps on your device before you can import these maps into these interactive maps into your phone. So make sure you do that before you go from the web browser and click the full screen icon. And then one more thing that I would avoid, if you get to where it says View Map Legend here, and this is where you can see the description of the section we're looking at, and the legend as well as like kind of what these icons mean. If you get to this page and you hit close, we can kind of see it in the middle of the screen here. If you hit close, it'll actually delete the map from your device. So that's something that's important to note because right now, yeah, we can't see it anymore. So if we go back, we should be able to, let's try a different one. Let's go with the Heart of the Clinton. Should be able to see it here. Yeah, so it imports it back in and it's really nice. And then one last thing I wanted to go through was the logjam reporting form. Here is one logjam that was reported, or a tree down that was reported on the 19th of June. And there's a picture uploaded with it as well. It shows the emergency marker in the right side of that picture. That's really, really nice to have. Kind of gives us a little idea of where it is. And then, yeah, if you wanted to contribute to this is something that you definitely can do. All you have to do is go to the map legend, and you should be able to see report a logjam right here. It's that third paragraph. You can click that link, and it'll bring you to the form that we looked at in another video as well. And you can report that and upload pictures from your phone, which you probably will be taking pictures on there anyway. So yeah, really good stuff. And Suppose last thing I wanted to say is if you have any questions about how to use this or anything like that, if you wanted to report something and you can't find the form or something like that, make sure to just give us a call. Our number's at the bottom of the website here. You can also see the information on our email and our address if you wanted to stop by 9 to 5, Monday through Friday. Thanks so much for watching again. My name is Jimmy. I'm the water trail coordinator here, and yeah, hope to see you out on the water. Thanks, y'all.